So what counts towards YouTube Partner Program valid public watch hours? According to YouTube Partner Program Application FAQ, not all watch hours count towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. What counts as a valid public watch hour are watch hours gained from videos you've set public. Watch hours gained through private, unlisted, deleted, ad campaigns and videos played from the stories and short videos shelf do not count towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. So what about watch hours gained through live streams? According to a Silver Product Expert answer under YouTube Help Community, watch hours gained from active live streams does not count towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. Only watch hours gained from public archived live streams will count after it is published on your channel. Also, watch hours gained from videos under copyright claim, certain types of monetization ineligible videos such as age-restricted content, viewed by oneself and older than 365 days will not count towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. To check your current valid public watch hours, go to YouTube Studio and in the left menu, click Monetization. So we hope you find our information useful and will keep making awesome original content and keep building your audience. Cheers!
If you like our video, please remember to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, bye bye.